Okay.
Okay,
That the rain is that
no.
crazy. Monster Billy. So we're going to Bear Lake today. That's what we're doing. Okay. Turn that off.
Okay, tell the story about what just happened.
Oh, well, we pulled over to go potty. And then this crazy storm just came in really fast. The rain and the wind came.
Wait,
So
hold on. Wait, video me outside, see how windy it is. If it is windy anymore.
Oh, okay. We'll see.
I can't get out. That was a guess.
So yes, the wind is blowing.
That wind, like, it scared me.
Yeah.
Hey, I can't get on my seat now.
But we're still heading to.
Brittany, pick it up and scoop.
We're almost to Bear Lake. We're still heading
Don't
there.
throw it.
even though
I
the
just
rain.
lifted it with a hand while I got up. I don't care. I can't shut
The weather channel says that that the rain is going to stop.
My
But
name
it's
is
a crappy
not
weather,
Big gusts of
so-
wind come like like every 5 seconds. Ow.
Okay. Hold on, wait. Oh,
Are we gonna go to the campground, Mom?
that's what you were gonna say.
Yeah, but then it's
She
just
made me
remember-
start recording so she could ask that on the camera.
No. I was gonna say
Ask
we're
Dad.
gonna go, and then I'm
he
like,
stole
wait,
my
are we?
picture.
So I had to ask.
So we're gonna go down to by the water and
Hog.
hang out, I think, right? And then if it's too cold, then we'll just go back up to the mountains and
Oh,
have a fire or something.
The bottle thing is green. There's water inside too. No, it's on the window.
Yeah, it's extreme fire danger too.
Extreme
But it's
fire danger
raining.
today.
That's what the sign said.
What?
We're gonna be extremely dangerous and have a campfire.
Oh,
We are crazy. Right? Crazy. Okay. Windy. Is it really freezing? Is it really cold?
Hi.
Okay, it's not terrible. It is cold, but
Oh, it went all on my
this
leg.
is fun. We want the storminess to go away, though. I want to stay and play. Go, Brinley, go. Monster Brinley. Alright, here we are.
I mean, like,
Lake. Look at him. It is so cold. Those guys are crazy, but I like it. Anyways, oh my gosh. Feeling it. Oh, what happened?
I'm me scratching myself to get up.
Your pants keep blowing away. Oh, those are pants.
Yeah.
Ah, see? Do you feel it on your legs yet? Or are your legs so cold? That hurts.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Red. It was really like that. The sand hurts. The sand really hurts. Shells. Ow,
Taking a cool video of my feet. Woo! What? Okay, maybe that wasn't entertaining for everybody else, but that was entertaining. Brindley got a rock. Is that your guitar pick one you just showed us?
It's very light.
It's not focusing. I have to show you everything we do today.
If you're gonna hear us.
I don't know why. I just feel like it. So, look at Brindley enjoying
Can you
her
hear us?
sandwich.
Yeah, it's
That
pretty.
you can hear us.
It's not as windy as it was when we last video.
So we have a sandwich, ham and cheese. I'm gonna put pickles on it, and I'm drinking Mountain Dew. We are having fun.
We also got watermelon.
Or we're bored. I think it's fun. I just like it to remember everything. We pulled out our food and the seagulls started swarming.
They're waiting. Roger.
Hi. I'm recording you. You want to say anything interesting?
Enjoy my food. Get out of my face.
Now here we are.
The sun's out.
Sitting in the sun is shining, but it's still blustering.
It looks so cool though. Yeah. Still going.
I can only take videos on Roger's phone after this. But it's warmed up. Still windy, and it's supposed to be windy all day. The kids have been out there even in the cold. And here we are. We set up the hammock. I'm turning this off. Oh, I was gonna get them falling, but I guess not. Ooh, Roger's phone really is better than mine. Oh, he fell on. They fell off. I want one of these guys to get on it, but I guess they won't. Roger, get on it! Okay. It looks like it's hard to balance. It's a chicken fight. That's fun. I love it. Your turn, Roger. Roger, you go. That's all right. Oh, bummer. Roger won't do it. Okay, I'm going to pump up some other floaty toys. I guess I'll watch one more chicken fight. One more chicken fight. And the list is in. Alright, I'm gonna go pump up some more floaties. Oh, where's Parker gonna take a turn? Parker's gonna do it. Zoom in a little. Oh man. Okay, he's still on. It still counts. I gotta watch through the camera. He's standing up. Alright. Oh, now it's recording. What? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So look. Oh, well, now I was going to show you how calm the water is now that we're ready to leave. And then it started getting not as calm, but it is a lot calmer than it was. And look how pretty.
The sun's out.
Yeah, it's frozen and it had like a zoomed in on my face. It's really funny. It's not like zoomed in or anything. I can't zoom in. It's freezing. My phone is weird.
This is all
It's going to die. But look, all from them, whatever it is.
Ready? Let me show them my feet.
I'm trying.
Then look, this is the only thing that I can do.
Oh wait, that's what Parker can do. Look at us go. We're gonna go get. There's everybody coming. Ice cream. Woo woo. Standing over there. And there's some flashing lights.
That's not good when you medevac someone.
Show the world our face.
It's a guy. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to figure out who was doing it.
There, not anymore.
Roger's getting there, but you're right on the key.
Victor and Vanessa.
Oh boy.
Like the first part, and then I was about to sit down, and then all of a sudden I saw how there was someone in the back too. I'm like, what did they do? And it was a girl who went in before me.
Ew, so the bathroom was gross. And I've got to use the bathroom, so we're going to see it. Sounds like a party. I'm just kidding. Ugh, the bugs. This bathroom is weird, and I'm always thinking about how weird it is. So I want to show you really fast. So look at how the sink like blocks, like there's hardly any room. Like look. There's an ant on the wall.
Oh, jeez.
So hopefully you saw that okay. It's just kind of a gross bathroom. Or not gross, it's a weird setup because you can't even stand up straight.
You can't even sit
I don't
down.
know, like you're practically under the sink to use the toilet.
You had one dog.
It's
dog.
an
You had
adventure.
one job.
One job. Anyways, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then we're going to the bathroom. It was difficult. You like have to shimmy your way. Like to sit on the toilet, you can't just sit down. Because then you'll hit the sink.
Wait,
You have to,
Mom,
like, go
Mom,
down.
Mom, if you like put it like in the perfect angle, it looks like there's nothing else there, but it's a window.
Ooh, it looks like just sky.
Yeah.
Like,
It's a window.
but it's more building.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Oh wait, I got a video dad coming out.
Oh, okay, now Roger's in the back. So he knocked on the door and I didn't know that it was him, so I saw hearing
That's
someone
what I
knock on the
said.
door.
That's what I said
So like,
today.
just a minute. That's what I said. Could you guys hear me?
No.
Look at my mosquito bite. I didn't see it very loud.
Well, I'm like, he said occupado, and I think you heard that though. He said
I
occupado.
was saying it at the same time.
He did like a little giggle.
So look at
I'm
my
like, she probably
mosquito
can't
bite.
hear you.
It's making my eye kind of swollen a little there. Do you see it? Pretty
I think the
swollen
bathrooms are
eye.
haunted. Wanna know why? Because I was in there and I was gonna open the door, but I'm like, wait,
Could have showed.
oh, wait, I gotta do something. And then I heard.
Just I tell like you're telling it.
I heard like the doors, like the handle, like move, and I'm like, oh, there's probably somebody waiting. So I was like, hurry up. And then I went out, and there was nobody there. I'm like,
Nobody there. Haunted bathrooms. That's exciting.
cool.
You're putting it right. You're putting it down. Rude. She can't hold the camera anymore. She's not doing it right. Plus, you move it too much. We're just gonna stare awkwardly for a
I like the
while.
shape of my face.
Only say happy, positive things. Stare awkwardly. We're recording Roger coming out of the bathroom. Knock on the door. Knock on the door like it's a stranger. Like he did to me. Knock on the freaking bathroom door. Knock on the door coming out. Did we scare you?
So it's not necessarily sitting on the toilet. It's wiping your bum on the toilet. And when you're
It's a
6 foot
horrible
4.
toilet. Okay, wait, I can't hit the stop because I got my hands full of other things.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you turn this? Oh, oh. The first time Roger barked at him, it scared Forrest so bad. He's like, no, I'm going to place it. Where's the towel, Forrest? Where is it?
He's searching on that.
Oh, he's like,
Hey, somebody should play that prank with the blanket.
I was thinking about that.
Where? So he'll come here and you go stand there and you do the blanket thing. Go stand in the kitchen by where you can move out of the way really fast. Okay.
Dad, funny. It took him so long.
Okay, Brinley or Alyssa, you do it. Roger, you gotta stay in here, so Forrest will stay in here, and Alyssa, take the blanket and do the trick.
I don't know what's for now.
Okay, Forrest. In just a minute, you gotta watch Alyssa. Hello, Alyssa. You'll probably do better. Maybe open the pantry and you can hide in the pantry real fast.
Move the gate. No, I was just gonna run up the stairs.
That might be too loud.
What?
That might be too loud.
Look at Forrest and Dad. Is that too loud?
Yeah, we can hear it, but maybe try it. I don't know. You won't be able to go as fast.
I just Forrest, the gate is that. Forrest.
Forrest.
Ready? No.
Forrest, that's not how the game works.
Oh,
Forrest, that's not how it works.
Okay, wait.
That didn't work, Alyssa.
He's like, what are you doing?
He's like, come on. No, we all saw you run.
Gosh dang it. I didn't throw it up enough.
Wait, you got it the wrong way. not gonna let you do it. Funny doggy.
Okay, wait.
No,
Oh, Bruce, come here.
So it's like.
Hey, Cor.
The stairs is a bad idea. The stairs is a bad idea. Okay, Forrest, come here. There is no way we can do this.
He's staring at me as I'm on top of him.
You have to be trickier and sneakier, but every time you hold up the blanket, he runs and jumps. You're like, ooh, it's a blanket.
It didn't really work out, so
Oh, Forrest,
Mama.
you're funny. That the rain is